The top cryptocurrencies you should buy in Q1. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top cryptocurrencies you should buy in Q1. The new year is just beginning and the crypto market doesn't seem to take a big movement yet. But you have to always be attentive because it can make a big movement in a matter of seconds. The whales definitely don't warn you when they are buying or selling crypto. No more talking for me. Let's dive right into the top cryptocurrencies you should buy in Q1. I really hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. If you want part 2 of this video, just let me know in the comments. 10. Cardano. Cardano is a blockchain platform that allows its users to create opportunities for everyone. This crypto is based on the value of global change. They believe everyone can change their life no matter their social status. Also, Cardano has created its own foundation based in Switzerland. The idea of Cardano is to create a platform that helps people to create a future to work better together. The objective of this project is to bring the user a brand new blockchain technology to challenge the old one to overcome themselves. Even if lately the price of Cardano isn't moving too much, I really think it's about to explode in the following years. 9. POLKADOT. Unlike Cardano, DOT is an open-source multi-chain protocol. What are you talking about, TechPeek? Well, open source means that literally everyone can access the Polkadot source code. Yes, you, me, and everyone who wants to access it. The objective of this protocol is to secure some specific blockchain networks. Nevertheless, Polkadot is represented by 4 core components. In the first place, you get the relay chain. It helps to create consensus and security across the different chains they work with. In the second place, DOT uses something called parachains, and they are independent chains one from another that can have their own tokens. In the third place, Polkadot uses parathreads. They are similar to parachains, but with a significant difference. It allows more connectivity and is more economical than the last one. In the last place, DOT uses something called bridges, and they allow parachains and parathreads to connect one with each other. 8. Rose. Rose, known as Oasis Network, is a privacy-focused blockchain for open finance. It has a stretched relationship with Cosmos, or its acronym Atom, because he interacts directly with it. The main purpose is to guarantee the data privacy and confidentiality of its users and expand this model to all the crypto markets. This network is extremely secure due to its capability of separating the contract settlement and consensus layers. This project was founded by Dawn Song, who is one of the rarest companies in the crypto world created and administered by a woman. The big potential item of Rose is its capacity of scalability and its low gas fees, and the token included on it that is having a huge growth. 7. Solana. Once again, we are in front of an open-source project based on blockchain technology with the main objective of providing decentralized finance solutions known in crypto terms as DeFi. By providing a proof of history consensus and other items, they help to improve the scale factor. This is one of the big innovations Sol introduced to the crypto ecosystem. One of the biggest virtues a blockchain can have is the speed that it can execute transactions, and Solana is in the top 3 in that matter. In terms of price, there was a big increase in its market value due to the great actions and the way Solana administrated the project. The price on Binance, one of the most recognized exchanges in the world, surpassed $200. 6. Ethereum. I present to you one of the big fishes of the crypto market. It's the biggest altcoin in the market and the blockchain with the most transactions per minute in the world. After Bitcoin, definitely the biggest crypto in the globe. But what's magic about it? Well, Ether offers an integrated open source blockchain. The interesting thing, is that it's decentralized. No banks, no third parties, just the buyer, the seller, and the blockchain to make a simple transaction. The blockchain hosts a huge amount of cryptocurrencies, and they recently announced the execution of smart contracts. Besides, its owner, Vitalik Buterin, is such a public personality, he is a referrer in the crypto market for creating this blockchain and other ongoing projects. 5. Mana. Mana, also known as Decentraland, is the big project of 2022. It's a virtual reality platform also powered by the Ethereum blockchain that allows its users to experience a real and new world through virtual reality. It's actually a game where the gamer buys a parcel of land where they can build, navigate, and obviously monetize it. In parallel, the land project was created as a complement to this platform. The last one includes 3D experiences and interactive games. In Mana, you can use avatars, wearables, names, just like Minecraft or Fortnite. 4. Luna. Terra, or Luna as you want to name it, is another blockchain with the only purpose of price-stable global payment systems. This blockchain also offers fast and affordable settlements. Luna was initiated in early 2018 and it took off pretty fast. One big challenge of the ecosystem is to stabilize the price of the protocol's stable coins. What makes Luna so unique is its ability to balance fiat currencies. Also, Luna is an open-source blockchain. This means again that it allows users to see the code inside of it. Terra is both a price-stable and growth-driven coin. Some experts are used to saying that Terra is the perfect mixture of Bitcoin and fiat currencies due to its features. 3. CHAINLINK. It is said that Link is a fundamental piece of the long-term growth of the crypto market and cyber economy. It provides trustless data feed for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the main and most popular cryptos in the world. We already talked about Ethereum and how it works. That's why it's important to define what is Chainlink. This last one don't depend on cloud companies to host websites or buy domains. Some people say that in the long term, Link will flip Ethereum and Bitcoin later on, but we have to wait for a while to see if that is real. 2. Ripple. Ripple is an ecosystem that tries to increase the speed of the transfer of data and information. According to Cointelegraph, one of the most popular crypto newspapers, Ripple provided improvements in the value transfer area, and its main objective is to consolidate the relationship between crypto and traditional currencies, like fiat. But the main question is, how does it work? Well, Ripple uses the traditional SWIFT system to process transactions all around the world. The problem with the SWIFT model is the fact that it is expensive and it's not so fast as Ripple is and not as effective as you think it is. Ripple is obviously focused on developing the technology of payments, especially virtual payments. 1. FTT. Finally, an exchange. FTT, or FTX, is the name of one of the biggest exchanges in the crypto world. One of the big advantages of this exchange is that it not only allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and take part in the futures market, but it also allows you to buy and sell stocks and S&P 500 through its tokens, for example. Despite that, it offers low trading fees. It's my personal favorite exchange where I host all my transactions and the one I recommend to absolutely everyone. That's a wrap for the top 10 cryptocurrencies you should buy on Q1. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you loved this video, don't hesitate to ask for part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you love this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on the top left about the top 8 gaming laptops in 2022. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.